I'm gonna make some scallopini of turkey breast with scallion and garlic. This is what we used to do with veal most of the time. Veal is expensive, hard to find, and this is very good this way if you don't overcook it. To start with, there is the fillet, the tenderloin underneath, and that could be already one portion, and that can be, of course, butterfly like this to do a larger steak like this. So I'm gonna cook 2 of those to show you how to cook it. So the first thing that we do here, salt, okay, and pepper on top. I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of butter here, and about the same amount of olive oil. That will cook in like a minute, minute and a half at the most on each side. Okay. I'm going to have some scallion with it. 2, 3 scallion, depending on the end. And I cut some of the green. A good 1.5, 2 cloves of garlic. Now let's cut on this side. As you can see, I am going to finely chop the garlic, scallion, so you finish cooking it, and we're going to add that to the dripping, maybe a little bit of chicken stock, and that's about it. Here, that case here, I'm putting scallion in there, garlic, I cook it about 30 seconds, maybe put a little dash more of oil, maybe a quarter of a cup of chicken stock. As you can see the color here, that the deglazing, you know, the crystallization of the juice, and that's good. Good. Maybe a little bit of extra herb on top, never hurt. And this is it. A very quick, simple recipe, quite good. Happy cooking.